back, Scott Crothers and Steve Nicholas. Good morning once again, Scott Crothers and Steve Nicholas.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, we had a very bad day 2 days ago. Yesterday, we were down, but we'll take it. Not as bad as we were the day before.
You're right. Yesterday, the Dow was down 7 points, closed at 20,661. Not a bad day after the big sell-off the day before. Technology shares were up about 0.8% for the day, and Microsoft and Apple were the two best stocks in the Dow yesterday. Nike lost $4 a share, or a 7% loss after the earnings report. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury fell to 2.389%. So, not a bad day yesterday. Really.
All right. Let's start with GE. What are we hearing out of GE?
Now, GE will double its planned cost cuts for this year and next year, and tie bonuses to performance. They will now cut $1 billion from their budget this year and next year. GE set a goal of $27 billion in revenue for the year. Their executives will get their bonuses cut by 20% or bumped by 20%, depending on how they perform. So it's kind of a tough deal.
I like GE just because it's got such great roots all the way back to Thomas Edison. I think that's kind of cool. Are people going to the movies in the box office?
Right. The U.S. and Canadian Hollywood box office numbers for 2016 rose 2% to $11.4 billion. They sold 1.32 billion tickets at an average price of $8.65 a share. Now, internationally, they were down slightly. China was the number 2 market with $6.6 billion in sales. Japan rounded out the top 3 at about $2 billion in box office sales. So internationally down, but in the U.S. up.
Yeah. Interesting. All right. And then finally, what are we hearing about natural gas? What's going on there?
Well, this is kind of weird. By May, investors will have a new natural gas trading venue. Platts and the International Commodities Exchange, or ICE, will create a new way to price natural gas. They will take the spot price for liquefied gas and then add in the cost to liquefy and ship the gas, which will make a much more efficient vehicle for pricing. The U.S. has huge natural gas supplies, and there is a big international market for the commodity, so this will just give a better way to price it.
All right, there you go. Scott Crothers with Steve Nicholas. How the markets look today?
Today the Dow looks flat. We get a look at new home sales and first-time jobless claims this morning.
All right.
And there we have it.
All right, good. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.
Sounds great. Thanks, Will.
Scott Crothers with Steve Nicholas. Been hanging out with us for a long time. Give us the first look at the markets all the time. Calico, right behind Calico Corners on Conway and Lindbergh is his office. So bring your portfolio. He'll be happy to take a look at it. 6:42 here, Big 550, KT.